Wait, that's her. Wait. Yes.
So what you're going to do in the patient for pseudofrontalis muscle for the neck, you're going to put it here above the eyebrows and as the patient, you sir, or miss, or mom, I want you to raise out your eyebrows. So place it up there. Pseudofrontalis there. Wait, there. Okay. And then next your orbicularis oculi. So, although I mentioned, we was studying on Sir Don, natin nakikita lang kung drawing facial expression. So, palpating versus sides eyes na nasa patient in miss or mom, I want you to close your eyes. Close. There. Ma-feel mo sa muscle yung ka. Okay? So, you have your orbicularis oculi. Close your eyes.
What?
Okay. Your levator palpebrae superioris. So above the eyelids there, and as a patient, ma'am, I want you to open your eyes. Open there. Open sesame. Here. Next, your corrugator supercilii or your frowning muscle. So you're just going to ask the patient, ma'am, I want you to frown or try to approximate your kaning duha ka eye kaning edge and eyebrows. Approximate yung duha. So frown. There, kaya siya pulot here. So you have your corrugator supercilii. Now, okay, next your brucellosis. So, ma'am, I want you to this is muscle of the same. I want you to find your nose. Not nose. Just to say, try to say yuck. Something that you don't like to taste the food no action. And cultivate it here and there. So you have your brucellosis. Okay. Next, your zygomaticus major. So cultivate it here as a patient. Mom, I want you to smile. Smile. So cultivate it there. Okay. Next, your nag-mention kung compressor na si Narishina. Dilatator ba?
Wala sir.
Dilatator, compressor lang. Okay, ganyan siya.
Nag-mention siya dilatator.
Wala i-verify mo. Mention mo na ako na. But there are some who are for dilatator na surnaris, they are very talented to that. They could tend to dilate just those here.
Huh?
Sige
ba? Sige na, sir.
Sige na, action. Ako ito i-ano. I-guide kay Bao. Okay, what else? Okay. Orbicularis oris. So, ma'am, I want you to approximate your lips. It's just like you're kissing someone. And you're going to palpate it. Have your orbicularis oris. Okay. Next, your buccinator. So bring it palpate here. Side of it. Now, ma'am, I want you to blow. Just compress your cheek and try to blow. There. So you have your buccinator. Here. Back. Okay, next your what else? What other muscles sa'yo produce action?
Depressors.
Okay, next your temporalis. So you just palpate it here. So the temporal bone side. As the patient, okay, ma'am, I want you to open your mouth.
Open
then
there.
after which close. There. Okay? So makafeel mo, diba? Because open, yun yung ipa-close nyo. Okay. So action is closing the mouth. So if open na yun, then close siya. If you want to provide resistance, So you can provide resistance. You're holding the head. And ma'am, I want you to open your mouth. Palpate it here. Okay. Oh no, pwede naman close. Close the mouth. So, ano siya open, you can open. Close, no, close ha. Okay. Or perhaps you just have the subject close his mouth first. And apply the resistance. Okay, ma'am, hold in that position. Don't let me open your mouth. Well, so resistance. Okay. Okay, then next, your masseter. Same nga po ng action sa temporal is lahi na ang pagpapit. So, this sa mandible. Or ramo sa mandible. Pagpapit. So, you have your masseter. There. Here. Okay. Next, okay, sternocleidomastoid. Okay, so sa sternocleidomastoid, you're going to bend on the same side and rotate towards the opposite. So, for example, the right side here. So, ma'am, I want you to bend your neck towards your right side and turn your head towards the left. Okay, gawa sa rin. One sternocleidomastoid here. So pag may here, sana, gawa na may you can further resist that they have and you can have it, pwede sa siya nakasupine. So, imagine nagsupine ko. So, what you just do, turn first the head to the opposite and as a patient just to lift the head. Kung nakasupay na, i-lift na niya, bawas na niya. Resistance impact. So, you have your sternocleidomastoid. Ano? Okay. So, face na lang ako kung isa na action na yung other muscles na. The next muscle, even eye muscles, mag-result of action na. I will just describe all the okay. Salus muscle, suddenly siya action. You have your levator lumbar superiors, wherein you're going to elevate the upper limb. So ask me, ma'am, sir, I want you to elevate or move your upper limbs going up. So suppose you want to. So you have your levator, lumbar superiors. So there. Next, you have your levator angulioris. So it elevates the angle of the mouth. So, ma'am or sir, I want you to elevate the angle of your mouth going upwards. Kaya wala kayo again. Sure. Ano? Your levator angulioris. And opposite end would be your depressor angulioris. Okay. So here, ma'am, I want you to move the angle of this your mouth going downward.
Laway lang yun.
Kaya angulioris. Next, your depressor lumbar inferior. Depressor, so you depress the lower lip. So, ma'am, I would just want you to move your lower lip downward.
Luas-luasan.
So, move your lower lip downward. So, that would be depressor lumbar inferior. Next, your mentalis or potting muscle. Ma'am, I just want you to pot. Ano, sabag ang face ng pot.
Sad. Sad face. Sad face.
So you have your potting muscle.
The description.
Then, you also your grimacing, grimacing muscle, your psoriasis. Just grimace. Meron kayo nag-smile, but wala nakita ang mga teeth.
Pa-cute lagi. Pa-cute.
So you have your grimace, sorry, here. Then next you have your platysma. So platysma na we cannot see the platysma sa model. Supposedly na yung platysma nag-buffer armenia. So wala na yung mga platysma here. Nandito ako kayo siya. You've seen that twice sa University of Stanley. So you just try to ask your patient, ma'am, you just where kung nagpapain sa imong neck ka na. Ayan. There you go, your platysma.
Okay, your friend.
Okay, so those are the muscles for the hand. Okay. Yeah. So